Let's take a look at how to care for your sponge balls. Here I'm using a beautiful orange 2-inch, but the same cleaning process or maintenance process is going to be the same for all of your sponges. Now here in front of me I have a little water. You don't have to have as much as I do. Really, you just want to get your sponge wet. I also have a little bit of soap. That is not Gatorade. Don't drink this. This is soap. You can add a couple drops of soap into your water if for some reason your ball is dirty. So if it's dirty, you want to add a couple drops, mix it around. You don't really need that much. And then once your water is soapy, you're good to go. You can take your sponge, place it inside, and now you're just going to squeeze all that water out. You can then go ahead, do it one more time. You can even squeeze it inside and then release it, bring it up. Basically, all we're doing is we're getting your sponge to absorb that water with the soap so that it can go there and it can get clean. You want to, of course, squeeze it as much as you can. And then you will notice that your ball, once it dries, so this is why I have this little silk here. You don't need a silk. You can use a napkin, a paper towel, anything at all. And then you're just going to do that with all of your sponges. After you've already squeezed out most of the water, you just let them to naturally dry. Come back a couple hours later, and you'll see that you'll have beautiful and pristine sponges. This method of putting the sponge inside of the water is also going to help expand your sponge in case you kept it tight, maybe in your pocket for a very long time, and then they look slightly deformed. They're not deformed at all. All you have to do is, once again, place them in water, squeeze them a little bit, and you'll see that when they dry, you will have a perfectly round, or your sponge will have the perfect shape that it was meant to have.